Hi everyone! This video will demonstrate how you can make plastic from milk using common household ingredients. To provide some overview, milk contains a protein called casein. Using vinegar, casein can be extracted from the milk and molded into different shapes. The materials you'll need are shown in the picture here. First, add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar into a small bowl. If you don't have white vinegar available, you can use apple cider vinegar as well. Next, place a metal pot on a stove and add 1 cup of milk. Make sure the stove is set to medium-high heat. Once the milk starts to simmer, add in the bowl of vinegar. Using a metal spoon, stir the vinegar and the milk together for about a minute. You should start to see white clumps form. Next, position the strainer over the large bowl and pour in the mixture carefully. Extract all the water from the white casein by using a metal spoon to help you. Once all the water is removed, the white casein should stick together. Before molding the casein into different shapes, you can add food coloring into the white mixture. This step is completely optional. Lastly, over a flat plate and a dry paper towel, mold your casein into whatever shape you desire. Let it dry for about 2 days. Your final result should look like the picture shown here. The mold should turn a darker shade and no moisture should remain.